Hello friends, my name is Samip Shah. We have implemented Datanote in our company Veer Machinery. Basically we have two units. One is sub-fabrication and sub-assembly unit, and the final unit is the final assembly unit. We manufacture wire machinery which are used in various applications like kitchen basket, welding electrodes, wire meshes. We make basically two types of machinery. One is wire straightening machines and the second category is wire bending machines. The second one is CNC machine category, and the first category is the manual category machine. So basically we are in this field since 10 years. We have a strength of around 40-50 people, and we deal in both domestic as well as international market. Some of our major clients are L&T, D&H, Adore Welding, GBK, LLC. So we deal in variety of customer group which deals in basically all kind of wire products. We were using a local ERP before we shifted to Datanote, and basically the problems we were facing with that is that we did not get the types of reports that we wanted, and we were not able to take well-advised business decisions based on those reports. So we required a customized ERP which basically solves our problems regarding the reporting first of all and the flow that we wanted, so that it is actually implemented on the shop floor level. Because the main function of ERP I suppose is that it should streamline the production flow as well as the sales flow, which we were not getting from the previous ERP that we were using. So we shifted to Datanote, which took around 1.5 years to implement, a painful process, but it definitely is paying off now, and we are using since 6 months and we are quite happy with that. We got to know about Datanote via internet, and some of our staff member which came from the previous company also suggested that we were using Datanote in that company, and it is quite efficient. So we gave it a try and contacted the sales team of Datanote, and we found it quite useful. So basically the most important thing we liked about Datanote is the customization factor and the ownership of the software. So it feels like it is our own ERP and not of Shuffle. So that is the main thing that we preferred, that was preferable about Datanote to us. And that is the main reason we shifted to Datanote. Basic advantages of Datanote after implementation, what we feel are that we were not able to follow up our inquiries before, because there are a lot of inquiries that we get on daily basis, which is very streamlined due to Datanote. And the sales to dispatch, the whole process is conducted in ERP, which we were not able to do beforehand. The third major thing that we are enjoying with Datanote is the production flow changes. Like we have a lot of products that are continuously being made at our plant, and we need to change the flow of production in between the production manufacturing process, which we are able to do with Datanote after customization, in which I must say that Tech Unity, especially Hardik Bhai and Moin Bhai, have supported a lot in it, and we finally got the product which we wanted, and are able to solve the problems that we were facing in our production flow as well as the sales department after the implementation. Currently the modules that we are using of Datanote are CRM, production, then sales, after sales, store. So basically apart from accounting, all modules mostly we are using, and we currently have 10 users in various departments. I would like to recommend engineering companies, especially those companies who are in a growing stage and they face the problems of changing production flow in their production line, to go with Datanote. I think technically, practically the process is possible on the shop floor, then I think you would be able to do it in Datanote also. So that is a major advantage of this software. So I would highly recommend such companies to go with Datanote.